Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I am a big fan of anything that is going to make my life easier when it comes to cooking and cleaning up. So that is why I really love this Calphalon Everyday 12-inch pan. This pan is pretty amazing because it is really thick, it's good quality, holds up for a long time. I like when you cook with it, things don't stick to it really easy. I also like how this pan can go from cooking different types of ingredients, and then when you're done, you can put it on the lid and then you stick it in the oven to finish it up. Everything is oven safe and dishwasher safe. So if you are looking for a good everyday pan that's going to last you a long time, good quality, definitely give this one a try. Calphalon makes really good products, and that is just my point of view.